KICKASSETS. Cha-ching. Welcome. Here we are at house hunting for house number 432.
All right. Hey folks, this is Michael here, and I'm at Colin's awesome man cave. He's just showing me some houses today, and as you can see, even though it's snowing and cold as hell, he's still showing me places, and he gets stuff done even when it's snowing like crazy. So yeah, make sure to check out Kick Assets if you want to come get a house with us, okay?
Yeah. Just not snow. Rain too. Storms. You've heard him before. That's the man where he works in all kinds of weather. He gets it done. There we go. So anyhow, here folks, we're about to start our house journey for number 19. Well, at least the story of it anyways. So.
Dog comes with the house too.
Yes, it does. Are you ready for another adventure, folks? We're here to start some sort of journey anyways, so let's get at it. In this adventure, we won't have a dog, or will we?
Yes, Howie, he's famous. Hey, Mom, he's a Kick Asset mascot.
Great.
Look at that drain pipe drip in with the ice ball on it.
Oh, that's so cool.
You can take your iPhone, take a portrait from that way. Looks really cool. Howie, yeah! No!
Oh, he likes leaves, huh?
Yeah, nice flowers, leaves. He loves the snow. You sit out here all day playing.
Why are we going this way? Because we're here to see another house. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. I feel like I've seen this road before. It's all the way up there. Wow. Weird. Can't fit any cars here. Let's see what we got in store for us today, folks. Do another house viewing. Oh. Is that the house? No, it's not. I wonder if anybody's living there. I can't tell. Cool. It's got its own little private entrance. こんにちは。Look. すごいね。外の庭ですね。アジサイ。綺麗ですね。詳しいですね。
お庭が好きなんで、お兄さん。
あ、そうですね。
こっちが玄関ですね。
あ、これじゃないね。Okay, entrance is over here. A rough shape over here. Wow, look at this place. Okay, とりあえず外見ます。
外見ますか？
はい。大丈夫ですか？
大丈夫。
はい。Oh, kill myself. Lots of nature. Good surroundings, like a lot of room to walk here. It's not a massive garden per se, but it's a lot of big areas to walk.
Commercial and then new house and commercial.
Yeah, you got your freedom back here. 自然が多いですね。Okay. So outsides, do some work. Very nice. すごいですね。Okay. Oh, got the same flowers I got. 一緒だ。いいもんですよ、それは。綺麗。今咲いてる時期ですね。お邪魔します。Oh wow. What time is it? すごい。Bing boom boom boom. It's kick-ass time. Ting. Look at that. すごいね、これ珍しい。Wow. Tiger. Okay. Floor is like old style wood.
スリッパもしよかったら。
このままで大丈夫です。
そのままでもいいです。
はい。これじゃ優しい。滑るから。Okay, we got one room downstairs.
How old is this house? 50s or 60s?
60s. 3 really old computers. What is this, Vic 20s? パソコンもあるし。はい、ありがとうございます。Here's the house. Yep. 224 meters squared for land, which is big.
What's inside square footage?
86.9, so 87 meters squared. Here, 70. It's a 70K. So I was kind of right. I said 7.
What?
70K, 7 rooms and dining kitchen.
Oh.
And we have normal water. Oh, we have city gas here. Cool. No parking, sadly. The house is what, 1960 something, I believe. What does it say on there? Oh, there it is. Yeah, 42. So 42 is 9 years younger than me. So yeah, 1967. Okay. Hey there, gorgeous. Okay, over here. Oh, what's doing there? Okay, so we have fake tatami mats over other tatami mats, I'm guessing. So this needs to be all replaced. Got a nice view of the garden. Your front entrance. Your front entrance is very private. Okay, so this room is a 6 tatami mat because the stuff's taking a lot of room. The sand walls are in decent shape, actually. That's important if you look for mold and stuff like that, or dark stains.
It's really dark in here.
Yeah. No sun. Well, everything's blocking it off and it's not open. Okay. これ珍しいんですね。
珍しいですね。
Okay, over here we have the semendai. Oh, weird. We have 2 rooms here. What's this? Over here we have the shower room. Oh, hazamasu. Okay, it's in decent shape. It's not my favorite color, unfortunately, but the tiles in the ground are in good shape. In pretty decent shape, but still, I don't like the waste of space here. Okay. I don't know. Spare room. Oh, it's a toilet. Toilet's okay, passable. Pink again. The walls. I don't like these walls, but there it is what it is. Okay, so this flooring is nice and old. It's cool, but it's a little bit iffy. Comes with a nice TV. Poker table here for 4 players. Squeeze in 6 if you try hard enough. TV. Oh, it's kind of a... Oh, it's a wallpaper sand wall. So, you hold that for a bit, sorry, sir. Thank you. It's not sand wall, it's wallpaper sand wall. It's good. Hey, news. 411. Get a nice view from here. Wow. Look at that nice design there. That's cool. Never seen that before. Usually these things are kind of boring. This actually has like a log in it. Oh, you get your mini balcony. This door looks like it's original with this replaced. Huh. This is all original stuff.
The windows too.
Yeah, the windows too. Yeah, you're right.
The windows.
Yeah.
Very original.
This is beautiful. Look at that. Little storage unit above there, which is pretty cool. I mean, for an old house, she's taking care of it pretty well. Give her that. It's 50 years old, so. We covered it. Oh, here's some tatami mats.
You said it's only 900 square feet, the whole house?
Yeah.
It's way bigger than that. You sure that's
No, it's probably bigger.
Is it? Downstairs alone is 3 bedrooms.
Yeah, at least. So, I'll put a sticky this way. Nice designs over here.
This
Mickey over there. Hey, Mickey.
This is better from
Mickey Mouse. Yeah. It's newer. This is brown tatami mats.
this whole room has been newer.
Yeah. Well, it's got more light in it too. Oh, this is like this is the sunakabe. Maybe, but it might be wallpaper. It's hard to tell until you actually paint it. So, I'm gonna say you got more view of the garden here. Wow, every access point has a piece of the garden, which is kind of interesting. I've never seen that before. I guess kind of like my man cave in that sense. Kitchen is old, but it's still in good shape. But at least you got a lot of space to work. We should put a new one in. It's a big kitchen.
It's almost as big as
Yeah, without the room. I guess if you connect it, yeah. Yeah, it's quite spacious. You got a lot of options here for this room. I like this old floor. It's like original wood or something, but just
At least you might be able to refinish them.
yeah. Or you well, not lift up, but go underneath the house and put some new beams in or something.
What are you worried about now?
Yeah, the weight. Like, how long is it gonna hold? Like you can feel it's kind of shaky in some areas,
It's
right?
1960s. It's been lasting.
Well, I know, but like you can feel a little soft. So, yes, I mean, this is still usable for now, but yeah, okay. This is kind of Mickey Mouse here. 2 pipes here. Got a pipe coming in there like that. Never seen that before. Oh wow, that's an original fuse box if I've ever seen one. 30 amps. But they got an extra one there, so does that make it 40? I'm not sure. Sometimes they add new ones, right? So it's probably for an aircon. But look how. Oh, does that say 62 on there? Okay, no, it's show us 62. So that's this is from
The pipes don't even
1951.
run. It doesn't even run down through the cabinets. It runs through.
Yeah, it's weird. Okay, it's looking good. Why does everybody have to call me now? Got a call coming in. Okay. So, it's quite big down here. Let's go upstairs. Staircase is... Actually, staircase is interesting. Never seen a staircase like this before. It's tall, but not super steep. Usually they go up pretty quick. Oh, there's the weirdest thing. You want to wash your hands after using the handrail here. Okay, got some damage over there. This old, I don't want to, yeah. Why would you put a sink there? Wash your hands before you go to bed. Okay. Oh, you got a cool view of Omiya. Can you open this? Oh no, it's child locked. Oh, it's this here. There we go. There's Omiya, folks, over there. That's how close we are to Omiya. It's actually got a kind of priceless view here too of the city. Okay. You see the houses below too. All the gardens. That one's probably empty. That's a bus over there. I think we're at 35. I'm going to walk to Omiya.
Feel that? You go right through it.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So that's they're covering it. So we got a long hallway here. Oh, we got a little design over here. Oh, he found something. Yeah. So
This whole floor would have to be replaced.
yep.
Oh, wait, it's solid underneath. It's just lifting. So this whole floor would have to
Yeah, but it still doesn't feel that solid. Okay, this whole room's empty up here. Nice and spacious. Wow.
It's all mold up there.
Where? Oh yeah.
All the way going around, that's mold. Probably didn't use this space. This is all mold on here too.
This overused. Okay. Stuff up there. Oh, びっくりした。幽霊と思った。
いやいやいやいや。
すごいですね。
富士山見えるそうですよ。冬とかここから。
富士山見えるの?
I wonder if it's just from the aging.
Yeah, no, I think it's from the aging because I've dealt with it before. はい。
今日は見えないんだけど、
はい
なんか
そこから見えるんですか?
見えるらしいよ。
He's saying you can see Fujisan from here. Wow. Wow, 本当に? じゃあ晴れてる時は見えるってこ
かな
と?
奥さんがさっき言ってましたよ。
すごい. You can see Fuji from here.
Oh, Fuji?
Yeah. Clear view. Because we're high enough. I can see it from my house too sometimes. And a little room up here, so we have lots of space. This house definitely has a lot of space.
Overlooks the stairwell.
Oh. Are you okay down there? Did you fall?
If you have the there's a window here too.
Oh, I see, for the extra window. Oh, interesting idea.
So you get light.
Yeah.
Both sides.
That's
That's
it.
why it's so much brighter up there.
That's so interesting, actually. So what?
What type of material is this one? What is all this?
Well, there's two ways. It's either this is
This is sand. I think.
it's supposed to be sandwall, but it actually sometimes they make the wallpaper version of it. So this might be the wallpaper version because the sandwall, if you want like this, it'll kind of come off. これ砂壁ですか？それか壁紙ですか？
これは、繊維壁っていうやつ。壁紙じゃない。塗り物か。
塗り物の方。
壁。
砂壁じゃないってこと？
砂壁と同じようだけど、繊維壁っていうのね。
はい、じゃあその間って感じですね。So it's in the middle. It's between the wallpaper version and the sand one. It's painted on though, kind of thing. 面白いね。
Oh, it's painted on.
そう、これどうやって塗るかな？
これは
糊で
砂壁と一緒で、
はい
こう固定で持ってこうやってこう伸ばしていく材料。
すごいね。じゃあ、こうやったら取れるってことですね。
そう。
この下は何が入ってるかな？石？
この下石じゃなくて普通のなんて言うんだろうな、板。
ああ、いた。すごいね。
It's a really nice condition. The walls.
Yeah.
Dark, too dark. But...
Yeah, that's what they did in the old days. Space, lots of closet space in here. Rough shape. So we need a lot of cleaning, a lot of renovations. 結構リフォームがいっぱい必要ですね。大変だね。
Upstairs here.
何これ？失
これ
敗？
なんかわかんない。いや、失敗じゃないと思う。多分。
はい。I've never seen a mini tatami before.
なんだこれ。
入り口パズルみたいだから。This room is a puzzle of tatami mats. 面白いね。間違いないようにこれ先に入れて。
This looks like it's been renovated way.
Yeah. Well, this is in great condition, right? Look at that. That's
I don't think she's
priceless.
珍しいですね。もうこんなのないですよ。こんな柱はもうない。
そうですね。もうない。いくらぐらい？
She's been living on the main floor.
I'm going to take my bike today.
I saw some people struggling on their bicycles.
Look at that seat. Perfect. This is how much snow it snowed so far today.
That's cool.
Right there. Right there. It looks like a wrapped up Christmas present. Merry Christmas, everyone.